Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to download QB64 in Windows 10. If you're using Windows 7 or Windows 11, it can work on those versions too. So to download, we have to go to this link and grab any of these two. The 64-bit is for Windows 64 versions, and 86-bit is for 86 is for 32-bit Windows versions. And if you don't know how to find out which version of Windows you are using, you can check this. Go to your start and type about your PC, and here you can see the bit of your operating system. Since I'm using 64-bit, I will use 64-bit version. I have to click here and it will start the download process. It will take a little bit of time, so I will skip. So this is the file which I get after I have downloaded. It's a zip file, so to use the QBasic software, I have to first extract it. To extract it, I will extract it in my local drive C. You can use any local drive, whichever you prefer. Now I will just give it name QBasic and click OK. This will take some time, and this is the folder we get after we have extracted our files in local drive C. We have to go to this folder and then click this 64.ext and it will start our QBasic software. And here you can type your programs and run it. It got all the functionalities that we usually get in our software. Now if you want to put a shortcut to your desktop, then you have to click here and send it to desktop, and it will create a desktop shortcut so that you can easily access the software from your desktop. Thank you.